What's going on YouTube? This is my product review of the Marine Depot refractometer. Yeah, this is the setup it comes in. It's basically a plastic hard case with a pop lid right here. Opens up. You've got all these spots. Right here is for the refractometer, and right here is for the screwdriver slash calibration screwdriver, and the turkey baster or pipette. This thing's pretty nifty. I use it for a lot of stuff, and this is the actual refractometer right here. It's very heavy duty. It's got rubber grip here, the eye calibration here, and the lens slash light bending lens. It's pretty nifty how it works, and it bends the light and all that stuff. It's really cool. Right here is the, let me get this off, the screw portion where you can actually calibrate it with your RO water or your distilled water. It's really easy to do. I'm going to get a picture of the inside later on in the video. I'm actually going to use my camera to get it. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to use it. It's really simple. All you do is take your pipette and you basically get some fresh water, which I'm just going to use this for now. This is actually salt water, but what you do is you basically stick it in there, get some water. As you can see right there, it's got different measurements. And what you're going to do is actually tilt this up where it's pretty level, like this. And what I do is I put about 3 or 4 drops right here at the end, and then I'll grab this side right here and flip it down, and if you can see the section right there, it'll actually squish the water all the way across. So you can see there. Oops, sorry. And what you want to do is literally cover from this side right here all the way across to right here on it. That way you get the best readings throughout the whole thing. It's really easy to do. All you do is basically, it's got a swivel lid right here, so you can tilt it down at an angle so it slopes down. But yeah, that's all you do with that. And then you look down the inside of it right here, which you're not going to be able to see right now, but I'll get a video of that in a minute. Alright, so here's what it looks like inside. You've got your left side, which is your salinity slash gravity meter over on the left for regular, and then on the right side you have your parts per thousand, I think it is. As you can see, it's on 1.000 or 0. That white line, the division between it, white and blue, that's reading my fresh RO water at 0. Alright, here's the inside with my actual salt water in it that I got from my tank. As you can see, it's literally at 1.020. That's the white section, and it goes all the way up to 1.025/6. It's like right in the middle of them. But yeah, that's what it looks like, so you guys kind of get a idea of what the difference is and the color tones and what you're really looking for. But yeah, there you go. You look down the inside of it, make sure there's the white line, which I have the paper right here, which tells you, see if I can get it, tells you right here how to calibrate it. You got your calibrating procedures. You basically, there's a white line and a blue line in there, which I'll show you in a minute. The white line is supposed to be at 0 or 1.000 or 0 parts per million, and that's to make sure that your water is perfect. using your RO water or distilled water. And what you want to do is also let your refractometer probably wait about 20 to 30 seconds, letting it actually adjust to the temperature a little bit, the ambient temperature, because it's got a calibration for that in it in itself. And from there, once you get it calibrated and it's at 0 parts per million right on the line, then you can get rid of your fresh water or distilled or RO water, and basically you just dump it out. And what they do is they give you this cloth right here to help you clean it, and you always want to keep this clean every time you use it, because salt water can basically, it can mess it up if you don't keep it clean. You can't clean that and this part right here and wipe it all off, get it all clean. And then from there you're going to do the same thing with your salt water. Get just enough, however much you need, which isn't very much. I'm going to tilt it to a little bit and get 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do 5. 5 drops. And you're going to take your lid, make it to where it squishes all the way across it and gets the whole even surface. And then you're going to look back down the eye hole here again, and it'll the blue/white line will actually raise up a little bit, so you can tell your salinity and your specific gravity. That way you could adjust it to where you need it and all that good stuff. This is actually my other hydrometer. Same thing. Tells your specific gravity. This is actually showing it's at 1.024, and my actual refractometer reads out at 1.025. So it's not too far off, but this is way more accurate. It definitely gets the job done, and it's a lot cooler to use too because it's a gadget. I love gadgets. But yeah, that's my product review. It all fits in here nice and neat. Go ahead and clean it off. I'll show you what it looks like all inside and everything. Fits in here just like this. Just like that. You got your screwdriver in here. Your pipette on the other side flipped over. And this basically just folds. Let's see if I can get it to fold with one hand. It folds, and I like to keep it up over the top of it like this, just to keep it nice and neat. And I close it right here, and there you go. I definitely recommend this over a standard hydrometer or refractometer. So that is my product review of the Marine Depot, and hope you enjoyed, and let me know what you think about it. Thanks for watching.